Here I have Samsung Galaxy J3 Prime, and let me show you how to enter the download mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and tap power off one more time. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you need to use the following combination of keys: the power key, home button and volume down. Let's hold down together these three keys for a couple of seconds: power key, home button and volume down. As you can see, the warning pops up, so you can read the following warning and simply press volume up. So this is the download mode of your device. Here you can try to flash your device. You can check out how to do it by using our other videos. You can also read here a couple of useful information, for example the product name, the system status, the FRP log and other stuff. If you would like to quit this mode, let's use power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys. Keep holding them. Release all keys as soon as phone goes black, and let's wait a couple of seconds until the device boots into a normal mode. Excellent, now you can unlock the screen and start using your device. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.